Welcome to the Core Skill Building Collection. In this video, you will learn the basics of the physical block diagram. The physical block diagram is a traditional systems engineering block and line diagram representing physical links that connect components within the system or system segment. Part of the physical architecture representation set, the physical block diagram is often the more detailed view of the architecture composition. The physical block diagram is available for elements in the component class, as well as any other subclasses of implementation unit. In this classic variant of a component wiring diagram, the children of the component are shown as nodes on the diagram. Lines connecting to a node reflect the links connected to the node. If the link does not connect to another component in the system model, the link is drawn as an unterminated line, an obvious diagnostic for resolution. We don't see any unterminated lines in this view. If the link connects to two components within the decomposition, both ends of the line are connected to classic nodes. If one end of the link exists outside the composition of this component, if the link is an external link, the external component is also shown on the diagram and connects to the link to show the full context. To help distinguish external components which link to subcomponents from the subcomponents themselves, external components are drawn with a gray background by default. The core schema limits a link to connect a maximum of two components. While you'd think of a link connecting multiple nodes, a better representation would be multiple links, each connecting only two nodes. If that isn't what you are looking for, then you might intend a hub or bus model. In a hub or bus model, the hub or bus itself is in reality a component, with connections between the hub and other components. Where links share common characteristics, it is generally the interface specification which is common. The links themselves are unique to the specific pairs of components. The physical block diagram is a free-form diagram. Core begins with a simple diagonal layout for the nodes, but you can customize the node positions as desired. Individual lines can be repositioned as well. Drag the handle at the connection point with the node to control where the line connects to the node. Drag a handle at a bend in the line to move that line segment. Individual labels can be rotated and moved. When the label separates too far from the connection line, a lightning bolt will draw to automatically connect the label to its corresponding line. In Core 8 and previous versions, Core displayed implied and rolled up relationships as well. This was discontinued in favor of decomposable links. If your data is in a Core 8 or previous schema, when an implied connection is represented on a physical block diagram, it is displayed with a hollow half circle at the node connection. Changes to the Core 9 schema made this variant obsolete, but it is still available for Core 9 users with data in a previous schema version. This completes the overview of the physical block diagram. To learn more about using Core, go back to our screencast page and view the rest of the Skill Building Collection.